Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about understanding the different models that are offered by Oracle Cloud and how it compares to the traditional model that we had in the past as part of the R12 version. So I assume that you might already have worked onto R12 version of Oracle ERP. If not, it was the latest version or the previous version before cloud, which is still uh, available in the market. So how that worked is you had your own application, server, storage, networking, database. Uh, when I say own, it means the maintenance part or the configuration part is maintained by the consumer who is working or utilizing the Oracle ERP product. But now with the Oracle Cloud ERP, which is also called as a Fusion ERP, there are three different models that are being offered. One is IaaS, which is Infrastructure as a Service, a PaaS, which is Platform as a Service, and a SaaS, which is a Software as a Service. Most of the clients are utilizing the SaaS version of it or the SaaS model because that is very much cost effective. So unlike your traditional IT or traditional model of ERP, where you had to own everything, you had to have all the resources, though it be a DBA or a server management or a network management or a performance management. With the SaaS, the things have changed drastically. With the SaaS, what you do is you get to use the ERP that offers a lot of features, the new technologies, which I will cover in my next slide, without worrying about the security of it, the database maintenance, the cloning of it, the storage, uh, the servers, uh, the networking capabilities, all these things you do not have to worry about. Only thing you utilize is the application, the Oracle application, and concentrate on your business and focus on the different functionalities that can be configured, and let's utilize and grow your business. All right. So there are different models, which is PaaS and IaaS, which offer a little differently. We will not go into that because uh, my focus is onto SaaS as far as this video goes. So let's come to the next slide, which will tell you what different features or modules that we have. So the module names from R12 to Fusion ERP or the Cloud ERP have changed. So you will see a different, suits. So modules are no more called modules as such, but they are called offerings. So one offering is ERP, which covers up your complete financials, AP, AR, GL, FA, and cash management modules, along with the taxation. It also covers up your PPM, which is the project accounting that used to be called into R12 version. So this ERP, uh, covers up both these areas. Supply chain management will cover up your procurement, purchasing, order management, inventory, BOM, WIP, all these areas. The CX is your customer experience, which used to be your CRM in the Artwell. HCM is your human capital management. That is nothing but your HRMS, what you used to call into R12 version of Oracle. This again has some submodules like core HR, absence management, performance management, Oracle time and labor, uh, uh, and the EPM is your enterprise performance management, which is a different instance that is provided where you can maintain your budgets and your performance is measured into that. The data flows between your Fusion application and EPM instance. That is how it works. Now, all these offerings comes up with a lot of AI tools that have been recently introduced, and there are machine learning, of course, that adds up to the computing power and then giving you the different level of analysis into the cloud application. the cloud application comes up with very or multiple features where you can develop your own reports without having the need of a technical developer as such. There are OTBI reports, there are infolets, there are dashboards that one can develop with little technical knowledge. With the low code, you can still create dashboards that you want, customized dashboards that you want to see, uh, without the actual development efforts as such. There are definitely BIP reports, the BI publisher reports are available, which needs some development effort. But even apart from that, you can still have a very good view of your data in a graphical format, and it's very flexible to use. So that is uh, and cloud ERP for you, which comes up with a lot of features, plus the intuitive, uh, the user interface. It is very much uh, easy to navigate. It comes up with uh, easier readability format, and they are coming up with redwood pages also, which are nothing but the newer version of the existing forms. And Oracle is putting up a lot of study and analysis between that, in the looks and feel of it, the fields, everything is going into a very different level into cloud ERP. Right now, coming to some of the features, as I already have talked about, there are the maintenance anyways happens, but it also comes up with independent updates. So you do not have to worry about, okay, now the version has changed, okay, now my company, or as a consultant, we have to plan for the newer version, and then what will be the changes, which all technical objects I have to retrofit, or which all changes in the setup and configuration that I have to do. That part will not be required, because Oracle owns all the update. Uh, they roll up the updates every 3 months in every quarter, and they name it as year plus A, B, C, D. So if I am right now into 2025 first quarter, so my version name would be 25A. Then it goes to 25B, 25C, and 25D version. The next year it is 26A, 26B onwards, right? So they roll out their updates into the in the development instance, and then it goes to production based on your approval. So they do roll out some features which are mandatory to have, or some feature which are optional, and they become mandatory in maybe 2 or 3 versions later. So that is one of the important you know point about the cloud ERP, where you do not have to worry about the updates, and you continue with your application without any interruption. There is no downtime as such. Any downtime required, Oracle will definitely mail you about that, and it will be hardly 1 hour downtime or some specific period which will complete your upgrades. All right. So this is an overview, a brief overview about Oracle Cloud ERP for you. I have more videos which you can watch on module specific or area specific functionalities. But this session was very much for Oracle Cloud ERP's introduction and how the SaaS model works, or what is there in the SaaS model, because you must know the application, how it is designed, or how it works from the vendor perspective. So you should have a fair bit of idea, and that was the goal, uh, of this video, to educate about what the SaaS model is, and how the ERP, the cloud ERP, is different than the traditional on-premise application, right? So thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.